Do the optional subjects matter for a certain group?
No.
How to improve English?
If the basic English is bad, then I would suggest reading. I know it sounds very mismatched while you need to write and have a good written English. Why am I telling you to read? But that reading material that you will read will actually be shown in your expression of writing when you write. So reading is important.
Can girls from army appear in CSS?
Yes, they can. There are two processes. They can even take the normal CSS exam, take the 12 papers, and normally get allocated like everybody else does. And then there is another military recruitment process, and there is another exam that the military itself takes and allocates.
What advice would you give to somebody who has to appear at least 5 years later?
Just read. Read all the books of your liking, be it fiction or any other book, but just build a habit of reading.
How to handle the stress game?
The stress game is simple. If you know why you want to be a CSS officer, that is the best motivator.
CSS, luck or hard work?
Both.
I heard that CSS reforms are changing from next year. Is that true?
That is very much true because Mr. Ishrat Hussain is actually working on it. But I would recommend and tell and advise that probably it's not going to happen very soon. So if you can take an attempt before that, that would be very helpful. But I think that would be good for the state. Building technocrats instead of bureaucrats would be a good idea.
Do you have to be super intelligent to be a CSS officer?
I was an average student all my life, so I think I've become one of them. So everybody who's an average student can become a civil servant.
Your written and interview marks?
649 in written and 200 in interview.
Which optional subjects had you chosen?
I had IR, ILO, US history, psychology, and agriculture and forestry.
Your DMC?
It's difficult to share all the marks here right now, but the highest was 72 in English Pressy and the lowest was 34 in agriculture and forestry.
Any tips for current affairs paper?
Yes, please go through the book of Sir Fareed Khan from NOA, and then there's another book of Mr. Wasim Khan who is in PSP. There's a very good book, and both of these books are really good for current affairs. And Jahangir World Times should monthly come at your place.
How to make notes? Kindly share the sample of your notes if possible.
I'll share it soon, but read a topic, then write it in your own wordings with good headings, good maps, good pie charts, flow sheets, everything with a good critical analysis. But then when you are going to revise your subject, that is when you would actually transform your whole answer into bullets.
Your favorite books?
Siddharth by Hermann Hesse, 3 Cups of Tea, The Art of War by Sun Tzu.
What mistakes we should not do during English essay paper?
No headings in the paper. Do not leave that small space which is there under the cross. People start writing from page number 3. Please utilize that small space given in the paper. And there should be no figures, no maps, no charts in the essay, no headings as I said earlier, and quotations. Yes, there should be no Urdu in the English essay paper, no share, no nothing.
Which academy had you joined for CSS preparation?
I joined NOA Islamabad, National Officers Academy Islamabad.
Nepotism in CSS?
0.
How much it takes time for CSS preparation?
4 to 6 months.
Is it true pictorial representation carry more marks?
Yes, the more you ease the checker, the more marks you'll get.
In current affairs, how many references should be added in one question?
If you know, then 4 to 5, and if you don't, it's okay. It's not compulsory.
Any tip for beginners regarding CSS?
Yes, please make your notes and do not ask for notes from other people. Make your own. Stay consistent, stay motivated.
Is CSS all about cramming and memory?
No, not at all. In fact, you'll be writing your answers on your own, very much on your own.
How one can choose optional subjects?
This is different for everyone, but yes, do take care of the shooters and the subjects that get hit. There are some subjects which are shooters and they give you very good marks, and then there is a list of the subjects like agriculture and forestry. You do not get good marks at all. So try avoiding those subjects, and they're going to be different with a degree. If somebody has a degree in English or somebody is a doctor, they're going to be very different subjects for both of them.
Can you please share a rough timeline for CSS?
Yes, you will be filling your forms and sending them in October of the previous year. Like this year, 2019 October, your forms. 2020 February is going to be your exam. October 2020 result. And then June 2021 is when you're going to get your allocations.
Which sort of essays to be attempted?
Yes, if an essay related to women comes, that would be the first preference. Then the essays related to the social problems. And I would not suggest attempting essays which are actually those literary lines and the poetry and all that. Do not try to attempt those.
How to stay motivated?
The answer to that question is very simple. You, inside of your heart, know why you want to be a civil servant. You know why you're taking the exam. Just keep that cause in front of you all the time. You'll stay motivated.
There's a very famous and a funny incident of yours that has gone viral about your CSS preparation. Would you please like to tell us about it?
I did not know what CPEC is. CPEC. When I first took the current affairs class, I actually wrote on my register SEAPACT pact, because the I law classes were taken before current affairs. I thought it might be some sort of a pact and something related to the laws of seas and something. So that is when I got snubbed in the class that it's not CPACT and it is CPEC. And then the basic reason of sharing that story on that stage was to tell people that this is where I started. But of course, that is not where it ended. Every time I took a class, I came back home and I was something new. There was something new learned. And now nobody can beat me on this topic. That is all for today. Thank you so much for following me. Please keep following, and there are more videos coming on your way. And these are just a few questions that I've answered, and I'll make sure that each and every question get answered. Thank you.